Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to get what you want. You can get what you want. Everything is possible. People normally think you do not get what you want. Have you ever tried to challenge this thought? You can get what you want. Everything is possible. Swami Vivekananda has said, everything is easy when you are busy. But nothing is easy when you are lazy. So follow these simple steps to achieve what you want. Be clear what you want. That is goal setting. Goal must be clear, categorical and challenging. You must know what is your goal very clearly. Do not chase the wrong goal. Goal should be very clear and achievable. Smart goal. You must know why you want to achieve the goal. This why factor must be most important and inspiring. Say, when a girl wants a job and she knows that it is very much dire necessity to have an employment to serve her mother, this why factor will be very much important at that time. So she will be very much dedicated to achieve that goal. So you must know why you want to achieve that goal. Then if it is strong, you will certainly go to achieve. There is no doubt in it that you will not get it. Plan how to achieve your goal. How you want to achieve your goal. Make sub-goals and plan for roadmaps to achieve the sub-goals. Rather, gather enough information to go ahead in the right way. Be prepared. Make schedule, follow the routine and stick to it until you fulfill your purpose. Mistakes, failures are part of process. Learn from the failures and mistakes and go ahead. Face fears, do not be overwhelmed. Never think to quit unless you achieve your goals. Remove your limiting beliefs. Focus on the goals. Say no to others. Swami Vivekananda has said, take up one idea, make that one idea your life, think of it, dream of it, let the brain, muscles, nerves and every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Focus on the goals. Act, not only plan. Action is most important. Utilize your time well. After all, wonderful life is aggregation of wonderful days. Make each day more rewarding. Have strong social relationships to get support as and when required. It is okay to ask for help. Be healthy, happy and energetic. Holistic living encourages success. Open your mind. Be innovative and creative. Be desirous to learn something more, something new. Improve your skill sets. Do not fear to place new ideas and test new ways. Have self-confidence and self-motivation. Do not bother what others tell about you. You do what you think right. You do what you love to do. Remain optimistic. Know well what you want. Visualize your achievements and be more optimistic. Have positive affirmations. Have positive attitude. Never allow any negative thought, discouraging idea to prevail in your mind. Always be positive. Create your personal brand. No need to imitate others. Do what you like to do. You may learn from others, but act on your own conscience. Follow your intuition. Every day is a good day. Reboot your life from any life cycle stage. Don't think that elderly people cannot do anything or I am aged so I cannot do anything. That type of idea is devastating idea. You can start your life afresh and any day, at any age, at any time. Remain self motivated to learn continuously. Count your blessings and strengthen your strengths. Be always prepared to grab opportunities. Opportunities does not repeat. May repeat, may not repeat. So when opportunity comes, grab it. And for that thing, you always be prepared. If you want to learn more, read my self-help books, The Heavenly Bliss, Some Simple Steps to Success, available in Amazon KDP. Thank you. Wish you all the best.